U ya nga vha muhasho wa zwa mutakalo, khakhathi dza miṱani dzi khou fhungudza vhutshilo ha vhathu. Fhedzi u ḓala Senthara dza Thuthuzela hu khou thusa u fhungudza zwiito zwa khakhathi dza miṱani na u tshipa. Senthara dzi ḓo ṋea thuso ya muhumbulo kha vhapondwa. Dzi ḓo dovha dza shumisana na tshipholisa kha u ṱoḓisa milandu ya u tshipa na khakhathi dza miṱani. Madzangano a lona zwiito izwo a khou takalela senthara iyi.
This center like this Thuthuzela one, I say that is going to assist in a lot way, because long time we had to take a long distance to Polokwane to send our victims there. But now, because Thuthuzela is now here around, next to Tuvazi, each and everything it happens, the people are killing each other just because it's the place whereby they go there, they say they are going to search for a work. But now, because this Thuthuzela has come now, it has the solution to help us.
Vhachimiso cha NPA vari zwo gweva milandu ya khakhathi dza miṱani na u tshipa zwo gonya nga senthara idzi.
We've seen, if you look at 2010, the conviction rate in sexual offences cases was something like 60-odd%. We're now standing at 76%, and those are the cases that go through the Thuthuzela Care Center. So there's definitely a connection between cases that come through the Thuthuzela Care Center and the cases that don't come to through the Thuthuzela Care Center, simply because the Thuthuzela, the name itself, means comfort. And it's based on the premise that we will empower victims that come through and make them survivors. And a survivor for us is an empowered victim who is able to go through the criminal justice system, go and tell their story, because they've received psychosocial support. They've received the support that they've needed in able to be able to tell their story.
Senthara ya Dilokong yo vulwa tshifhingani nga mulanga vundu wa Limpopo, Stanley Matavata, Lutendo Bobori, SABC News, Dilokong.